How to use a voice changer in Roblox. The first thing you'll need to do is open up your browser, and then you want to search for voice mod. Click on the first link for the voicemod.net website. Make sure to download and install the app. You might also need to create an account and sign into your account to be able to use this. And once it finishes installing, you want to search for the VoiceMod app or double click on it from your desktop to open it up. And when you open it for the first time, you will need to click on Get Started and then proceed to sign into your account to be able to use it. And the next thing you'll need to do is to go to the settings, and from here make sure that your microphone is selected, the microphone device that you want to use, and also the output device, in this case my headset. Make sure to select the proper devices here and adjust the volumes. Now we want to go back to the default or home page. And here you should see all the voice changing effects and sound effects that you can use, and you can listen to them. Some of them are free, some of them are given daily for free, and the others are locked until you get a pro plan, which is a paid version of the application. Now you'll simply need to open up Roblox. So open up the Roblox player, and then you will need to join an experience. So for example, this one. Now all you need to do is open up the settings by clicking on the escape button and then go to settings. And from here you want to scroll down till you find the input device and make sure to switch it to the one that says voice mod virtual audio device in your input device, which is the mic, and the output device is going to be your headset. Of course, the input device will only appear if you have voice chat enabled. And once you set it, you want to go back to the application, and then you want to select the voice changer that you want to use. So for example, the banana voice changer. Now once it's blue like that, it means it's working. Now you can simply just adjust the volume and the pitch and the space from here. And once you go back to the game, you can start talking and everybody can hear the voice effect. And that's pretty much it for this video. Subscribe if you found this helpful, and see you in the next one.